Hey there, lovely viewers! Welcome back to our channel. With the crisp autumn breeze rolling in, it's time to give your home a warm and cozy fall makeover. In today's video, we'll be sharing some fabulous DIY fall decor ideas for your living room, dining room, front door, and kitchen. Let's dive rig. First up, let's transform your living room into a cozy retreat. Start by swapping out your summer throw pillows with rich, textured ones in warm tones like deep oranges, rustic reds, and earthy browns. Add a touch of autumn charm with some plaid or fox fur blankets draping over your sofas. Don't forget to place a few decorative pumpkins or acorn-filled bowls on your coffee table to capture that fall spirit. Now, let's make a fantastic first impression with your front door decor. A simple yet stunning wreath made of dried wheat stalks, fox sunflowers, and mini gourds can instantly set the tone for the season. Hang a wooden welcome fall sign or personalize it with your family name. To add a cozy touch, consider placing a small rustic bench or hay bales nearby for that quintessential fall charm. Moving on to the dining room, let's create a welcoming atmosphere for those cozy fall dinner parties. A centerpiece idea that screams fall is a rustic wooden tray adorned with candles, miniature pumpkins, and dried leaves. Upgrade your tableware with elegant autumn-themed plates and bronze cutlery. Complete the look with a burlap table runner and napkin holders accented with fox fall foliage. Let's transform your living room into a cozy retreat. Start by swapping out your summer throw pillows with rich, textured ones in warm tones like deep oranges, rustic reds, and earthy browns. Add a touch of autumn charm with some plaid or fox fur blankets draping over your sofas. Now, let's bring in some floral magic. Arrange a bouquet of fall blooms such as sunflowers, dahlias, and chrysanthemums in a rustic vase. You can even mix in some dried flowers or branches for added texture. Place this lovely arrangement on your coffee table or a side table to capture that perfect. Place this lovely arrangement on your coffee table or a side table to capture that perfect blend of nature and comfort. Last but not least, let's add some autumn warmth to your kitchen. Open shelving is a great canvas for fall-themed decor. Swap out your regular dinnerware with pumpkin-shaped soup bowls and ceramic mugs featuring fall patterns. Display cinnamon-scented candles or potpourri to fill the air with the comforting aroma of the season. And of course, a bowl of fresh apples or pears adds a pop of natural color. And there you have it, folks. 4 fantastic fall decor ideas to transform your living room, dining room, front door, and kitchen into cozy havens of autumn joy. We hope these DIY ideas inspire you to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your home. Thanks for watching.